This is not another drone platform. We are so different. First off, we are not a website like everyone else with generic e-com capabilities. I mean, we do that, but we are so much more. We are a series of apps, one for pilots and one for clients, with an integrated website, all bundled up into one giant platform that communicates in real time. We have actual data and custom-built and developed algorithms that no one else has and no one else is using. But guess what? We are, and I built them just for you. This isn't a sales pitch. This is a response to the thousands of drone pilots demanding a change. And here it is. I decided to spend years of my life developing and smoke testing a solution to an already big problem. And we are on the right path with our proprietary algorithms, but we also need your help. We welcome you to join our network and help grow together for a stronger drone industry and a solution built for its users. We welcome drone pilots just like you to join and be patient as we grow. Follow us, share our content, and be part of something bigger than what the industry is already offering. Comment app and I will send you the direct link to get you in the right direction.